Indian jewelry. For India, jewelry plays a symbolic role. It is not only a decorative feature but is also considered auspicious and a symbol of social status. The attraction towards jewelry in India is immense and is a part and parcel of her tradition and culture. Therefore, one can find highly crafted jewelry for almost all body parts, including neck, ear, nose, arms, ankles, fingers, waist, hair, etc. Jewelry in India is quintessentially belongs to married Indian women. They are also considered as a gift for different phases of life, such as birth, marriage, a would-be mother, etc. These jewelries are made from precious stones and metals or a combination of these two. Gold, silver are the most popular metals for jewelry in India, while amongst precious stones, diamond, ruby, and emerald are the top choices. Let us see the jewelry pieces which are typically Indian and its significance, beginning with the Mang Tika. It consists of a chain with a pendant in the front and a hook at the end. Mang Tika, when worn, rests on a spot and represents the power of the soul. When a bride adorns the piece of jewelry on her wedding day as part of Sola Shringar, she is connecting it with her third eye, harnessing the power of concentration, activating her knowledge, wisdom, courage, and willpower. For the couple, it represents the coming together of a male and a female on a spiritual, physical, and emotional level. Earring. As told in the ancient Indian legend, it is believed that evil spirits enter the body through any of its openings. By wearing ornaments in the ear, the women attain a state of complete well-being. By applying the right amount of pressure in the ear, the health of the women are being taken care of. Nose pin. Nut. Traditionally, it is worn on the left side of the nose. Scientifically, it is believed that women with pierced nose experience less pain during childbirth. Ayurveda considers it as a valuable piece worn by women. Necklace. Necklaces are worn near the heart and believed to control emotion and strengthen one's love. Wearing necklace of stones is believed to bind ourselves with one's eternal powers. Since ancient time, necklaces, pendants, strings of beads, and elaborate ornamental collars were worn by women to bring good luck and ward off the evil eye. Kamar Pata, waist belt. Scientifically, these belts are believed to prevent saturation of fat in the waist and help in maintaining a woman's figure. Generally, they are made from silver. Bangles. Bangles are believed to increase a woman's blood circulation level and channelize the energy passing through the outer skin. This is made possible by the circular shape of the ornament with the pleasant tinkling sound. Rings. Usually, each finger has its own symbolism. Wearing a ring on your ring finger represents your relationship status, whether it be the engagement or marriage. Payal. Payal is a metallic string normally put on by ladies around the ankle in feet. It is believed that it regulates blood circulation and aids in curing swollen heels. Toe rings. Toe rings are usually made of silver. It absorbs energy from the earth. and refreshes the entire body of the women by passing the energy to it. Mangal Sutra. The Mangal Sutra is given by the groom to his bride during the wedding and is worn by married women, symbolizing feelings of love and commitment between the married couple.